All right, I'm going to show you two ways that you can use Translate. First of all, you can use it in this portrait mode, and all you would do is click here if you want to use the microphone. All right, you could say, how do I get to the museum?
¿Cómo voy al museo?
All right, that's one way to do it. But you can also turn it this way, and you could do this. Where is the car shop?
¿Dónde está la tienda car?
So there's two ways that you can do it. Now the third way that you can do it is just to write it in here. Much. Whoops. For the food. I don't know, I'm just making stuff up. Go. And then you can hear it.
¿Cuánto por la comida?
So those are the different ways that you can input the phrases that you want to learn how to speak in whatever language. And that's how you use that. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.